Hello and welcome to the Web Console instructional video series. In this video, we will cover an overview of the database marketing package and briefly discuss its included tools. Note that we will cover each of these tools and all of their functions in a lot more detail, but within individual training sessions. So please stick with us and follow on through the series. Remember to hit that subscribe button and stay up to date with each new release and tutorial. Let's get started. Our first step is to log into the Web Console and navigate to the database marketing dashboard. If this is your first time logging into the database marketing package, you'll be greeted with a Getting Started panel. This will list out all of the steps you can take to customize the package to meet the marketing requirements of your business. This can be done by creating custom fields, creating subscription groups, adding in all your contacts, and sending your first email campaign. If you've already logged in and already set up all the tools, then the Getting Started panel would be replaced. The new panel would show your latest email send-out statistics, where you can view the open, unopened, and bounce reports. If we look to the far left, you'll notice a list of usable database marketing tools. This navigation panel will allow you to access each of the individual tools that your database marketing package includes. If we read down the list, we can see them as follows. First, we have Contacts. This tool contains the database of all of your contacts and the information you've gathered from them. These contacts can be uploaded if you've already obtained them by other means, or automatically added using tools such as contact forms, form builder forms, membership signups, or website signup forms. Setting up the Web Console's subscription groups and custom fields will allow you to tailor the information you store to meet the requirements of your business. Next, we have Email Campaigns. This tool allows you to send targeted and customizable emails to the contacts stored in your Contacts tool. These emails can be set to send instantly, scheduled for later dates, or configured to send based on a set of rules. These emails can convey a number of messages. For example, but not limited to, newsletters, sales events, sign-up greetings, or general news and updates. Next, we have Surveys. As the name suggests, this tool allows you to create customizable surveys for your website users to complete. This is a great way to gather even more information on your contacts, or to request feedback on services you offer. Next, we have SMS campaigns. Much like the email campaigns, this tool allows you to send targeted customizable messages, but via SMS, to the contacts located in your Contacts tool. Note that send-outs of the SMS would require campaign credits to be purchased. Next, we have Print Campaigns. This tool allows you to produce, print, and even post personalized cards to the contacts in your Contacts tool. These can be sent on a scheduled date or triggered for special occasions, such as welcoming new clients, birthday messages, and holiday greetings. Note that send-outs would require campaign credits to be purchased. Next, we have Event Manager. This tool allows you to create customizable events in which you can set unique times, dates, venues, ticket prices, and even collect payments. These events can be simple one-off functions or set up to be repeated based off of recurring dates and times. The Event Manager will also allow you to view your event's attendees lists, whilst gathering further information for your contacts in the Contacts tool. Next, we have the Image and File Manager. This is a simple tool used to store all of the images and files you might require in your database marketing package. Say you were wanting to send an image or link to a PDF in an email campaign. This is where you would store those files. Note that this tool is used separately from the website package Image and File Manager for easier file management. Next, we have Campaign Credits. This is simply the area in which you can purchase credits used for the send-outs of SMS and print campaigns. Next, we have Article Library. This tool allows you for the posting of customizable articles to your Web Console website. These articles can be added into unique categories, as well as having the ability to add authors and thumbnail images. Note that this tool does not feature social sharing and commenting. However, these features are available in the website package's blog tool, which also contains the ability of tagging. You will notice that there are many areas in which you can access help if assistance in using the tools is required. They can be found on the dashboard here, in the main menu bar at the top of the console here, and to the bottom left of the toolbar here. And so this concludes the overview of the Database Marketing Package. To learn more on how each individual tool works, from the website, CRM, and database marketing packages, please continue through the series and select the tools you wish to expand on. Remember to make sure to subscribe and stay up to date with each individual release and tutorial. See you next time.